Good morning. Good morning. Before I get into what I will talk, I'll first send this message to my godfather. You know, if it is not happen, may you say beneath the exam me parable say, Omo normal you Omo. You understand? If somebody they cry for many years, one particular thing, the person they cry, at least even though say parents not dey, at least friends dey. I no get friends sha, but I get for social media. At least I still get godfather for social media. I'm just going straight to the point because when things don't happen like this, you have to think. You understand? I never know my godfather for this social media where I begin my life story. Dey this social media until where I call know my godfather. Now, somebody they cry for one particular thing for many years. I for not see come I can't even respond because now wetin happen, you know say I do live video yesterday, say I dey expect one call. And that call will come, not be me respond. Now my husband with the person, with people. Now they talk, but a lot of bullets. A lot of bullets they transfer. A lot of word they come out. You understand? At that point, my husband not taking funny again. Where the thing for come pain now, my husband come bust cry. You know? It really touch. When parents go they do person, though they feel say they dey on top. Not be say the thing they pay me because me, if I dey laugh, the next plan what I want to do na dey my mind. The next bad what I want to do na dey my mind. And wetin they make the thing they pay me be say, it could be like say Egbe don suppress me like man not do something stupid near the real Egbe. You understand? Near the real, that is near the yo yari. But although the thing not still go well yesterday, you understand? It not still go well. But before I will go the straight to where I dey go, I need to talk to my daddy, my godfather. You know, I did this social media. I know they do godfather because of Facebook. Or may they do and make the pepper person. No. You will not be better. Or I can not hear. I not be like them a Becky or wherever, whether they find the person where get money for social media, whether they do go mother, maybe they see they eat lobolobo. I'm not that kind of type. When you talk about money, I say don't touch money. Yeah, I'm not proud about it. It's my pastimes. I say don't touch money. So I look and say, money is not everything in this life. You understand? But that caring, like that picking distress, you will help am. All this kind of thing. Money is not everything. But when you give me, I take. You are my father. You understand? Your daughter, they cry for so many years. Many years. But one particular issue. I know you have many daughters in this social media, but I know how you carry their matter. I know how you fight for them. I know how you not for them till they help them. But I'm not going down area of donating. No, my husband is capable. When you talk about capable, my husband, they capable. That's why I know they shake. You know, if you know, say, Daddy, for this social media as a whole, I am the loyal daughter where you get for this social media. The lawyer, I have never disrespect you. I have never disobey you. I am very loyal and wish you know. And this is you. Well, if you dey talk, Itao, Gewao. If you dey talk, I know dey raise head, they look your face. Who am I? Who be me? You understand? I know because no be you born me, you want try to use that, you want use sense for this issue. But it's like when I dey call you for phone, they talk to you. No, I dey like to dey talk to you on phone. I will quick rush stop. I will write, but I never like settle down talk to you. Like I dey feel say you dey busy, you get what you want to do. That's why I dey rush. I your rush tell you what I want to. I will end my call. You understand? Now, before I go start, Daddy, hear your following guy, man like you. Hear your voice. I no go plan finish. Just see yes once more. Then you go know say yes, you dey read the dummy as your daughter. I'm just saying my own sincere. You understand? I will allow you. Just listen. I already send you all the video, all the record, all of the through your phone. But I want like play one particular one part. I don't go plan finish. Then, how do you feel, my godfather? Yesterday we talk many things, my godfather. If me and my husband, not be only your own. You have godfather. Like, you know, when something don't happen, your brain don't full. Like, what is your godfather they talk for the matter? What you understand? Like everything is pissed off. Like this, before my husband can raise anger like this. Where it don't pass like this. May I talk because I dey vex, I don't know how I'll take talk, but may I just play one tiny for you. Daddy, how do you feel? I know you want to try to say, hey, now your papa now, forgive them or do this thing, this and this. But before you do all these things, why we know what did they make this girl the vex? What did they happen? What did they make her the back? Who could ask this speaking? But they want to use oppression and wish I will never take. Now, Daddy, now you had to play this voice note for. I know so before you listen to all these voice notes, many saga, you get many things for hand. But I would like to play one line for you, make you hear am. Then may you tell me how you feel for this issue. Just one line now I want you to play. I don't want to play all.
How are you doing? I'm fine, and you? I'm very okay.
Now my
How's the
husband,
family, sir?
now my husband be this with one of the egbe for my family. Egbe, just listen. I am my husband. Now hear everything for spoil.
I saw my sister on this call. They called me this morning. I was not online. I went to work. It is now just coming in. Oh, okay. No. That's why I called. So she told me that she was trying to say something to me. Yeah. Go ahead. Yes. Because when I came back for work today, so she told me some kind of things. So that's the reason why I said I will. What she told you? Be precise. No, what she told you? Concerning the preparation of the marriage, that's what she was telling me about. What? How do you prepare? How do you prepare you are? I'm fully prepared. It's just that their family is not prepared. Why? Because of the situation on ground. Her family is not prepared because me and my family, we are fully prepared. Her family is not prepared because seeing the look of things, that's not the way families behave. Because that what? I say seeing the look of things, that's not the way family behaves. I say record that word. We don't have family that's crazy. We are very normal. We know what you are doing. The family you see that is where I come from. Because what man has actually abused our family that it's not how to behave. No. I'm not. I'm nonsense.
Sorry, sir. I'm not categorizing the full family. I'm trying to refer to her parents. That's all.
You do not bad language we use that you don't understand what it is. It's not how to behave. It's an insult to my battle. I don't take that, my friend. Let's talk maturely. I'm a sensible person. We are very, to me, I'm very objective. I know how to respect elders, whether they are wrong or right. We respect elders. You understand? The way you started it, we don't know what just the way you are behaving. No, it's not that way. You understand? You don't use that kind of word to elders. You let your word be polite. You understand? Whatever we have chosen, please put it on record so that we cannot contradict ourselves. You understand? You know very well. Let me go to the topic. You know very well that my sister and her father, they are not in good terms. Are you aware? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
You are aware that they are not in good terms.
Yes, I'm 100%
So
aware.
if they are not in good,
I'm 100% aware.
When there's a big disagreement, there's bound to make peace. Yes.
Sir, can I still ask the question?
Go ahead.
Are the parents aware that the daughter is under house arrest?
I'm not aware. I don't know. I don't know whether they are aware. I don't know. Now that she's applying something like that, whether it's house arrest, it's only my sister that told me that she's house arrest.
They did not tell you. The parents did not tell you, and they don't say anything about it, and they are happy about it.
I don't go to ask them. I don't go ask them. I don't go ask them. I don't go to ask them. I know that there's problem between her and her parents. What I want there for is to negotiate peace. That's why all of us, we are the same family. We cannot continue to be a quarrel all the time. No. Many things they will be lost. Many things will be lost when there's quarrel. When there's peace, you yourself as myself will be happy. When there's peace, that's where I roll. When there's extravagance, if I can able to negotiate peace, better for me. Of which I've started. Whether they abuse you or you abuse them, let them forget about this one and move forward. You understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, to me, insult is nothing. Just to let everybody are matured. I'm seeing her parents as a father and a mother, but see the way things are going. That's not the way. Sir, I have a father, I have a mother. My dad is about 70 something. My dad is 60. My mom is 60 something, and they are still way alive. The way parents are behaving. Before I use that metaphor, when you were angry with me, I still have a mother, I still have a father. I know the way they behave. Before I use that statement, that's not the way parents should behave. I still have. I know the way those parents behave. I know when a child cry, a mother, a father is supposed to respond to the child to know what was happening. But my wife asked me, there's nothing like that. There is totally nothing. And you want me to be happy about it? I've been under this situation for almost 7 years. Have the parents ever called me and asked me about the situation? Did they think I fell from the sky? I never fell from the sky. I've done all my possible best. This marriage we are talking about, my junior sister have got married since last year. I asked for this list before my junior sister was even thinking of bringing a man to the house. I've got 2 elder sisters that have gotten married. Last year, my junior sister that I seen 3 times got married. But about 4 to 5 years ago, I've been asking of this traditional list before my sister even got finished at university. Before she finished university about last 2 years, She got married last year, but I've been asking for my own bride price list for the past 5 years. They will tell me to do this one. They will tell me to do this one. They will tell me that look at somebody want to get married first. I should bring money. Then they will tell me somebody died. I should bring money. They will tell me to renovate this place. They will tell me I will do it. I will do it. They said they photocopy 20 of the list. I did not see anything.
They will come. You know, that I never go that place where my husband for shed tears. Where the tea for like the tea come scatter everywhere. That is the year now for good 5 years. Now my husband they ask of this list. No, this one not be me they talk you. They say na who wear shoe, no wear the pay now. When I talk for this social media, nobody never listen to me. Where you dey insult your mama? Why you bring your mama come up? Anybody will go right for you. I'm gonna make sure say I pray maybe the real account and come beat your children. I know how go area, but this matter not be matter of saga. It's between my godfather, my husband, and my family. It's not matter of shots. Let me come. You understand? Let me come. You understand? Now, that is the year now. This one not be me come they talk now. Now my husband they talk. Good 5 years. Good 5 years. You dey listen? Now you get where I go reach. I don't want to play a pass there because table can scatter. Table can scatter. You know, my husband if he dey stand mara, he don't finish. So bullets come dey throw. Like much just daddy now you understand now this one not be me they talk this one and gamal now they talk now my husband now waiting parents don't do no daddy tell me the truth if na Benin person na marry me daddy talk truth how me my life go for be by now no life be sincere how my life go be by now. If na Benin person na marry me or na born for, how my life go turn to? My dear, let's go. More go. I get where you reach, I go pause because the rest one on no fear na bullets. So call five for you.
I have 2 elder sisters that have gotten married traditionally, and 2 of them got married to Benin men. Do you think I'm just talking like that because I'm a fool? I'm not talking because I'm a fool, because I have every reason why I'm saying everything. My junior sister that got married last year got married to a Benin man. I'm the first person that want to get married to a Benin woman. Are they really like this? Are they really like this? Let's be frank.
Tears come because the tea don't dey pain now.
Things are not being done this way. We are parents. We are parents. Let's hit the nail at the head once and for all. Let's not be afraid of saying the truth. I have to hit the nail at the head and say the pure truth. This is not the way parents behave. Sir, will you ever be in this? Sir, will you ever have a child in this situation and be happy about it? Do you know what it means for you not to see the sun for the past 7 years? Do you know what it means to stay inside without seeing the sun for the past 7 years? And parents are happy about it. My own parents are not happy about it, but our parents are happy about it. Do you think my parents are happy because of this present situation that she's passing through? They are not saying anything. None of the family members are saying anything about it. And somebody, I'm trying to do my own right. Somebody will tell me I should repair this. I should take his son to another country. I should come and renovate his house.
Say he cut back for us.
Nobody renovated my father's house. Three daughters have gotten married out of the house traditionally. So this is not the way they behave. This is not the way they behave. We have traditions, but this is not the way traditions behave. This is not the way traditions behave, let's be frank. Because we are passing through hell in the hand of the parents of SA. If I don't hit the nail at the head, nobody will talk about it. And nobody is ready to say anything about it. I did not fall from the sky. I have parents also. Look at this, not the way my parents behave.
Please, stop saying this. May I ask a question?
I'm here to hear you, sir.
My dear, put it down. Put it down. Put your temper. I know I feel your pain. I feel your pain. To me, that I'm talking with you, that I've traveled to Canada. I've traveled to Norway. Also, you know what I'm talking about? We that have traveled far and near, we have to talk about that thing. I feel your pain. I know what you're passing through. You know, all this is you are telling me. So my sister has told me some of them. But then, whatever goes on must come down. Calm down a little. Calm down a little. I know you are someone I'm not. You are taking my sister and all the other person with you there. Thank you so much. In these days, the parents will be happy to see a reasonable man that married their daughter. Are you there?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
So, whatever I pass through, thank you so much. And now we have tried to find solution to it. I don't know how you want to hit the head. That's where the area you feel. How do you want to hit the head at the head? How do you want to hit it? How do you want to hit the head at the head?
Because they should tell a parents to stop the evil things that they are doing. That's the nail on the head. They should tell the family should call their parents in order. What they are doing is totally wrong. Totally wrong. There's nowhere this thing happens. Nowhere. I've never seen in my life. Even my parents are saying this family is strange. They have never seen this kind of thing.
I want to ask a question.
Because I'm upset. I'm angry. This is not the way parents behave.
He said, I will pay for, I still pay for that day for 10.
What about the one what we said we paid before? I'm not paying anything. I'm not paying any fine. Which fine?
Is that going?
My papa never give me fine. Either person they give me fine, or that person never give me fine. I pay 10,000. Don't give me another fine again. I beg you. Which kind of fine be that? Who want pay fine? My father give me fine before. I be the first son of my father. My father never give me fine before. I be the first son of all my junior ones don't marry because of this same family. Look at them, never give me fine for the second time.
Yeah, now hungry people, they don't hungry now, hungry people now, hungry parents are I get. It's asking lot, me papa already lot, me dey am be am go to
pay fine. But I never pay fine for my family. I be the first son. Only that man they give me fine.
Because I be virgin.
This guy fine.
Story go be you are begging them. I be na disgrace egbinya. We are begging us na we eba. You are begging era na ya we o egbinya. We na be awo zo le ni ya wo ke problem mi ro tin ya ri opo. Be ti na do ga wa go zo ri no we awa na go ri ra awa na go ri ra o ya mo awa le. We ni gba na wa ke fa. Be na fa we no ri ni sire awero. Honestly, me not the bed the where out. You the bed like biare. We they are the bed the biare. You the bed the tawe obokia. My parents they use me, they make money. Just that I don't give them that opportunity. Therefore, they use me, they make money through my husband. You know why? To give my parents how much my papa will feed it. How much my parents could feed. How much they'll feed a month. You understand? I hate where you they do like say now you get sense, but like. You want it because I don't be virgin. I be after two. I don't form born 2 children. Throw away from Nigeria. I don't be virgin. My husband not meet coconut. I don't go to get myself. My husband not meet coconut for my chest. My breast not stand. My breast is sleep like frappan. I don't know. Not be let me be daughter. My papa tell me say money when I want to carry my junior brother come abroad, make I use and renovate the house. Many things will don't happen. They don't to store money from my husband hand. You know when my husband decide say he not go send the money again. My husband, now see my husband, they give them money. My husband, they send money. You know when my husband stop? The day when my husband, my papa go open man, talk for a get platform, say, since when I take come abroad, since when me and my husband tell no, my husband never give and die. That he pay my husband. That he pay my husband. And then they do the saga. And not get the saga me that time. For a man, he the saga me. No, but my parents, they tell you something. Where we go take decision. You know, if you take the whole world for a not the platform, say, we know they give you money, we never send money for you. But you the egg under, they call me say, make I send you money. Who be fool? You didn't look my husband as a fool? You look at like mumu. My husband, they say even when my husband say you money, you tiri, you go back tiri, go down. You call my husband for video call. You say my son, because my husband they send money call for you. How we go tell no? My son, he go wrong. I know where beria, because you don't see money. You will play with my husband because your play with the play na money play. Yes. Because you want to extol for my husband. Because you don't see one mugu. Where you want to use three pikin till they collect money for your hand. Me, say no. Now there are more people where they destroy people, marriage, children, parents. See, if you not get sense for our bro, say, una parents go they decide for una. It's better for you people. My marriage will not destroy now. But I stand down with my husband. Una de yamat, I know play a pass here. Record me, Nisha. Record the many guy yambo. The many. I know me. I know if you plan my godfather. I just say my fake come first. Daddy, yesterday I call you. I call you yesterday. What you were trying to like? Daddy, no. I know you were trying to make peace. That is not how to make peace. Because they be my parents. And for everything where they just do me, they'll cause it. You know how many times my husband go ask of list like this. My papa will say, where if papa die, we can't do burial. I will bury for. My husband ask of list. He said, me, my husband can't relevate his ass. How dare you? Even for you to even open my thought that word of sound is a taboo. When you tell me, say, I say, if I die, if I die, your needle, your shoe are not going to return. That is what you tell me, oh sound of your debai. That is what you said to me. Now, after all these things where you don't tell me that time, then you go carry your son, your first son, which is Ogogo. You go say, you see this my son? Now this one, if I die, now you go inherit your property. Say me is out of points. You understand? Or what of ye? That is the parable you made to me that year. Now, when me don't marry now, Adema, now you are not begging my husband to elevate your ass, not with please, with command. And with condition, say, if my husband not elevate your ass, Obogbo were not doing. Obogbo, oh, who can you tell me where? Then was I don't want to go far. I don't go far. See, Osa, be careful. You have done a lot. I don't want to go far. Record the fool nyakban. Say how I take disgrace on myself. For where my husband dey. Simati, money. When you go marry my mama, how many bag of cement you beg go my mama family house, go elevate their house? When you go put money for my mama head, how many of my mama family I better you say you must carry one of their family go abroad before you go put money for my own mother head? How many people? Why again you say? Why again you say? Because I tell you that word. Say how many bag of cement you bet go do my mama family ass You cut me fine. My husband paid. But the least you never give. You want to use me, they use make money. Who did your bad job? If you don't use me make money, carry your wife. My mama come abroad, not the bashago do gono. Why ya gwaligo? Mo hawa adewebo, not the bashago. You understand me so? You dare not do it to me. You understand me so? All these things you not do, but you want to do. You don't, I tell you. Even my husband, mama, when my husband want come abroad, he can't money give my husband to come abroad. But what of you? My husband, mama never open my utter a word, say my son, come and renovate my house. He own that. Never talk that kind of thing. Now you carry person pikin. You say make God renovate your house. Now you born her. Me when una born, una carry una wish, una vile wish, una carry follow me come abroad. Ina do ya to tell you come back. If you want me to renovate your house, you get face on now. You will open my tell me say, if you die, not go inherit property. Now go. Why you not call that the say go? Make God renovate your house. Why una the fail ye dog done? Una want to shuka there. Una know how to tell bro. No thank God say use your mouth talk for no get platform. Say you know feel like, but you don't know how to tell abroad. That kind of person, you see they give una small thing, but oof. You want clear say that you born me. Fuck you. Go carry me now. I think you want fuck me. Go carry me, you marry me. I will carry enough sound. Since you want to use money, be hungry like you. Why you win now? I don't want talk. I better enter this matter. If not before, if you do one, I don't want talk. While you're moving. You know why they will do this thing? Because no know my next plan. No know my next plan. My husband was using his judgment till they renovate the ass. Wait for the fuck my own mother. Another pikin. My own mother. My own husband, they renovate your own ass. When you say for marry. The only thing where you come out from your mouth. Instead of you to tell my husband, thank you. Wait till come out for your mouth. He said, you know how much I put in journal. Make the take best image. Now you born my husband. Wait till papa and mama nothing talk. Tell you own pikin. Una you get papa. I lolo bo. Why you winner? Is it not our agreement? Say if you enter abroad, now so if you confess now, anything that I have to do responsible for the family is maybe what me are you talk? Is it not our agreement? When I tell you, I say, mommy, I want to settle down. You say before I go settle down, may I carry my sister enter abroad. Then I give condition, say, if I carry my sister enter abroad, that means I go settle down, Sophia will continue for where I for stop. That was our agreement. If I choose to send money to you people, Abi, Sophia may bring her coin, say yes. Then I stand with my agreement, which I did. I carry my junior one enter. Then what you go me? We make that is where my godfather have to come into this issue. This is what I'm angry for. My godfather they know this issue. That is our agreement between me and my father, between me and my parents. And then as I want to settle down, they say before I go settle down, may I bring one come. That one will continue for where I can stop. That was our agreement, which I did. Even when my sister say enter this abroad, I said they say on money, but you can't use me till they do competition with Sophia. Sophia go say you 50,000, I go say you 100,000. You say that Sophia money be passed. You are using me to do competition with Sophia. I'm just doing it because I have a mother. I don't feel carry the whole load. Put for Sophia body. I know people put all the whole load. I said they assist you now. But I just feel agreement is agreement, and by right, I'm not supposed to send my money again. That was our agreement. And Sophia, all the Messiah day. That was our agreement. I have fulfilled my own. What's on a young boy? Although you for where your day. And I want ask question, please. Una where they watch for you, even don't not come. But this question I want ask. Oh, I beg. As I did so, I am confused. See, if I said the middle, I need answer from Una. What is special about this price? I want to know. Please. Because for me, I'm not interested. Because I don't already bought for my husband. I don't, that be the way I not get into the marriage. And not get, I beg, I want to ask you, wait, what is special about this bride price? I don't know why my husband is so, they drag this bride price of 18. What is so important about this bride price? Please, you people should tell me, because I don't understand. It could be like, say, I know my husband is so desperate, and like the way I don't know. For me, I'm okay. Me and my husband at the born. If you say you need another picky again, I will visit Bona for her. There, please, I beg, I want to ask, what is special about this bride price? I first say me and my husband that day, this is our wedding common marriage in Italy. Please, I want to know what is the meaning of this bride price when my husband don't want to let go of this bride price. Please, I want to know. I don't understand. Not be the marriage where no get come beg. They go do the marriage for mama nor her ass. Even my own papa, they tell me say they know if you do the bride price for Bini. Say na even Igo Bazuwa. But when they want to do the introduction, na Bini there. See, our parents want to make tea for straight for my husband. My father said, all record day. All record day, my godfather. He said, even though they even say the way we do the marriage, see the way my papa they put on your eyes. Ooh, I don't know why I even invest shit. Please, I want to know what is special about this bride price. Please, can you people call? Because I want to know. I don't know why my husband is so desperate about this bride price. I want to know, please. For me, I don't already born for her. We don't do common marriage. We are happy family. Basta. Please, I want to know what is the meaning of bride price. Is it special? Is it important? When my husband don't want to let go? Please, I want to know. I'll be another thing that when my husband don't want to tell me he want to pay bride price. I want to know. Good 5 years. Good 5 years. Now my husband they drag this list. They bring another thing. They bring another thing. They'll say let they pay there. They'll say that they sick. Hand they pay there. I can't say they want to use me till they collect money from my husband. Now I block everywhere. I block it. Now person picking. I don't want to play my husband voice no finish if I plan. Now here now we carry on. Because where this the blood they come, where the transfer of words they come, oh boy, now head that come they come out. You understand? Please, I want to know what is special about this bride price. For me, I'm okay with my husband. I have 2 children from my husband. If my husband says he need another 4 again, I go still give him. They don't get no born under. He born 3 children. Under how many years? If not that one, my husband, I go do one. What if they find a picky? You don't get boy. You don't get girl. What if they find a girl? What is special about this bride price? Why no one let my brain rest? Why no one let me rest? I tell you, sir, I'm not gonna marry you. Me and you there yet. I did both for you. What is so special about this bride price? Please, you people should make me understand. I don't understand. I want to understand because bride price. What I know, say husband and wife, they as they born together, they day together. He don't do common marriage. He don't even do introduction. He don't even do introduction. I don't even do introduction for Nigeria. What is the meaning of that money? Is it special? Is it important? I want to know. For me, it's not important. I first your husband is okay. You they born for her. Like marriage move on. Please, what is the special? Moreover, if before my husband for come shed tears. Una hear us say for good 5 years. Even junior sister since the university. All my 4 sisters now my husband, my husband people get 4 girls, 4 boys. The 2 of them don't marry. As they finish their school, you know they take 6 months. They don't marry. They don't come marry, they come. When did they pay my husband say, now the same Bini come they marry his sister from Amushi for Afuze they come out without no stress. But when you come be say, when you come be say that it be the first son for a family to marry, it can't be difficult. Do you know the traumatized where you put my husband? You tell my husband go do and reach, he go come my godfather and say, yeah, Gama, mo do my parents will come see your father. My husband not the carry the verse. If my husband don't first, he don't finish. I see the opportunity when my parents want throw away now. He didn't not let me talk. He didn't not let me talk. See the great opportunity. One on one using a hand throw away between now till January. See waiting on one using a hand while you boy have mufua. The day when I don't play record pass like this. If I plan, una not go like am. When I tell una say parents, because una see good parents, una see parents will take care of you. Parents una go they cry like this. Parents go cry on our eye. But not feel say that's how all parents be. But I go let una know, not be all. If you now listening to, might just play some more pass like this. Might just play on more than no way say I they try to talk all these years. Ọ̀dà wà rẹ̀ gbẹ́nu ọ̀rẹ́ ya gbìyàn eri newspaper ìwọ àwọn ọmọ àtàwọn ìtàwọn ẹwẹ́ àrísí mẹ́rin rọ̀gbà àwọn ọmọ àtàwọn details of my parents ìyá ìsopọ̀ yẹn máa na ó nẹ̀ yóò zàtì bá support àwọn parents mẹ́ ọ̀nà sẹ́ nà àwọn rẹ̀ náà yẹ gẹ̀rẹ́ if not ọ̀lẹ́fẹ̀ rẹ̀ nẹ̀ ọ̀lẹ́fẹ̀ ọ̀nà ìrọ̀ rẹ̀ níjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yà gbọ́ àlọ́ ìyá ọ̀lẹ́fẹ̀ rẹ̀ nẹ̀. Pay. Oh, that be fair. Ubeni disgrace binya. Ubeni disgrace binya. Oh, you don't know your chair. I'm not when I pay fair. I am via school university and Ladia. At the end of the day, I know when I don't want the any upon a weekend school. I'm not paid. That is the thing. I don't move on. Trust me, I don't move on. But my husband no want rest. That is the reason why they ask. He get anything with my husband they hide like they hide like he must pay my bride price because me I don't already move on. I don't born for him. Now person I use under 2 years they born 4 children. If na children my husband they fair, I go give him my move they carry pikin. In the carry pikin. Leave bride price. We are happy family. I don't know why my husband is so desperate about this bride price. I don't know what is so special about this bride price. I don't even know. Because all I know, be say, me and you there together, I born for you, we are living where? What is there again? What is so special? Now make us say, baby, could not allow me understand. Maybe something special there inside that bride price. When my husband they exist, or my husband they feel say I go leave her. I don't know because that is the reason why I they feel say because I don't even know. Since yesterday, my head they big. I don't know what is so special about this bride price. Please, I want to know. Mona make me understand. Say yes, this bride price is me. But for me, I'm okay. I born for her. We are husband and wife. We they stay together. We not beside they go. They come. We there together. You they come back for work. You still come meet your wife for inside house. Then I carry your children go school. I come back. Carry them come back. Then we there together. We sleep. We wake up. Husband and wife pass like that. Husband and wife. I beg you pass like that. I want to know what is so special about this bride price. Several since my husband talk say since 5 years now they ask of this bride price. I tell my husband, forget about this bride price. Forget about it. I don't know what it really is special about the bride price. If in a bride price, we fit do like a no geon. No be mama Nora. Where they ask where is the money build. Where is the Oloshote build? No be there, they forgot put bride price for your head. Hey, get house now. Who could do it like that? Or even those who will not see do it like that. My godfather did here. This is what I'm pissed off for my godfather. He know what to do at the right time. No go do it. And this the goddaughter with the loyal to my godfather. This is the time. What is all this? What is all this? What is all this? What is special about this bride price? I want to know. I need to call an old man and an old woman. Now, old woman will call for Nigeria. I want to ask him, what is the meaning of that bride price? Is this special? Because it's like, I don't know, I don't even know what they do again. I'm not going to know what they do again. Even people when they ever put money for their wife, back by more here, the city may be I know say that my husband people now that they push my husband. You know, I don't blame my husband people. I not blame my husband papa. I not blame my husband papa. When you know when they see their son, their first sons they progress for family, like you come abroad. Now we don't finish as where they been now. We don't they face the one way everyday village. Now my husband people they see the progress of their pikin. And my husband mama they use that word. Say if man good today, if a man stand today, na his wife. If a man fall today, na still his wife. So I believe say that they see the good things when a pikin they do, the prosperity when their pikin they do, and with wife, all this are but now make they talk say, okay, you don't do, make them go put money for it. But for me, I'm okay, I'm not complaining. I'm not they complain. But I don't know as I want to carry phone, call my husband papa, my husband mama say, Daddy, I'm not complaining for the bride price. I'm okay. May they forget about it. But I don't know what is so special about this bride price. And I need to know about it. Forget if he says my godfather is not my father. Why is not my father? As my real biological father. They don't want to put their head down. Then what is it? No, wait, you know, if he said they carry my godfather as like godfather for social media. Okay, he's not my father, he's my godfather. Good, I agree with you. But when I open eyes, he was there. My father was not there. Please, can you explain that? It's my decision. It's my decision. When I open eyes, my godfather was there, my parent was not there, every member of my family was not there, but my godfather family was there. Then what are you saying? If that one can possible, why the bride price is not going to possible? Why? Make all this stress come out from my brain. Then they stress me. Especially my husband. I don't know why he's so desperate. Say he want to put money for my head. Woman will not meet as a virgin. Woman will meet where he sleep as 4. Woman will meet where he don't born 2 children before. Hey! What is so special? I want to know when my father said my father want his life. Did not feel his life. Yes, it's possible. I want to tell my yes, that is facts. Where I open ask my godfather was there. My parents were not there. Where this one no physical on call? Why you not physical on call? Daddy, are you happy now? You see the way my husband, they talk. First time to see my husband shed tears. Oh, you think say all this thing why they talk for social media not to give you? No. Now wait till I say they pass through for so many years. Now be this one. This is the time. You dey carry people home. Even their mother, they come out. Leave me, if I be down me, mama, if I be down me, I join the kokomo. But I give myself to you willingly, free. Why you say that kind? Why you have been fighting for your rest daughter, but you reach your own. Everybody for this social media say I'm the loyal daughter. Where you get for this social media, but you can't say your pikin they pass through pay. You they pay. No, but see, please, I beg you with you to do respect. Not like that comment again. Say, he's not, he's my godfather. He's not my father. He is my father. Because the one where I call my parents, he has zua. They don't know the pay of a daughter. Please. Now me wear shoe. Now me know where they pay me. Serious. And this bread price is nothing. For me, it's nothing. I deal with my husband, they born for her. If you need another pikin, I go give you. I know say your mother they thought say it don't reach to born John pikin. It don't reach because not be say I not fit born John pikin. Just that I want me come up for this house arrest before I go born John pikin. If na that one, okay, I no go okay, no problem. Moreover, I said the house arrest now for born my 2 children. If na that one, I go born the pikin again. Not be the type pikin now they find. I go give you now. No what I no go do anything again. I no go and I no go take any protection again. I go give you now. Forget about this bride price. This family are hungry. Me, I know if I allow this family use my husband. Never. If I is your more idea webo. I'm not when I don't veto waga. I don't know tama when I don't veto waga. You may not read your hand. Go not me will go in your on the dog here. But you when I don't know why in here. Who does that? A family now go. I will apologize, but a fanny, I will say fanny, I will apologize your father.
You don't pay anything again. Anything. You don't pay any guy. But when you don't pay, them are not rich.
I'll pay go, Mammy Oko. I'll pay go, Mammy Oko. Put my
Oga. Hello, Oga. Let me talk to you. Oga.
It doesn't work for gear. It doesn't work for gear.
How much is your friend is to find you now?
No, the thing is funny. If not, they see me say they laugh. No, that laugh, now my next bad one want do, but now they pin me down. Because this our Egbe don't know what they solve. They don't know what they solve. I want to marry now because of me. My papa for never put money for my mama head. Until today, he don't carry grand pikin. Now small remember he don't carry great grand pikin. They don't put money for my mama head. Now when my husband thought say they want to put money for my head, now that time my papa come to say is abomination. Say they know if you put money for my head because why they never put money for my own mama head. Now because I thought say mama never do marriage because tradition they follow tradition. Now my papa said they never put money for my mama head, so me no fit do marriage. I said why? He said na tradition. Oh yeah, daddy go do marriage. My papa want to open my talk. How jobless he is. He said may I tell my husband, make my husband no. He said may I bring money, may I take go put money for my mama head. Now I said, but you know say I did ask arrest. He said make I ask my husband. Yeah, that is what my father said to me. He said, make I tell my husband, make my husband bring money, me take go put money for my husband's head. And that's it for tradition. It's abomination. Then I carry phone. I call my uncle for our brother. I say, Daddy, see what they sup. Now that one cause say your husband go quick die. Oh. That means now my husband, now I go put money for my mama head. It's abomination. Because my husband dead that spirit, my husband can't give me money. He said, take go buy clothes. He said, take to go buy clothes. I can't carry the money, can't give my parents me they to go do marriage. Although not believe me want to contribute. My junior sister, all of them contribute. That's why I take do my home for inside. Now, they don't pay my mama bride price. Now because of me, if not, my mama for never even dreamed like for in life whether they tell kuku. If you ought now because they won't come pay my own, now they do you. Okay, now they doesn't do your own marriage. Give me this. He said, my husband can't elevate his ass. Imagine that kind of nonsense. Even my own mother, the man even they help me. Now the man they even they help me for the problem woman put me for here. Now in they spend. That's what my husband said. Since why I take this ass arrest, which of your parents don't call ask how they see the waka? The hungry lions. That's why DJ Goat talk on that day now. I not blame DJ Goat. You know why I not blame DJ Goat? I not blame because when they come abroad, they're useless. They're not the plan well. Before DJ Goat fit us say this one got 10 million. Where a papa they shop or more because why since we take come this abroad you never save money where it reach 10 million. I not blame you because when you take come this abroad your account never carry 10 million for your account, so I not blame you. Everybody guy it a day. You understand? Everybody guy it a day. I know since when you take come abroad, you never save 10 million for your life. That's why you dey feel say now so person you still be. But I will tell you say I don't touch money. If you Lord well, what about 20 almost about 20 million they will take jolly. I see they get it back. It not shake me because who don't touch money not the reason or that one. But I dey come for and when the time reach. You know say as you never touch money for una life. Like na not get plan, like fake life. Now you see money now they use them. Now see free money now they not get plan. So now I not blame you DJ Go. So if it is like this one, Asaboro get money, 10 million. We want where Papa will shop. I not blame you for that because you know if you offer the 10 million, you never touch money before, and that is the slowest money where I don't touch for this life. When you talk about money, I don't touch money, my dear. I don't touch. Now make money. Not be anything for where I did, but what I need, attention, love, caring, finish. You understand me so? So I don't blame you now, DJ Goat. Now, my papa where they thought say I never spend money for her. Now, nothing says that he don't disgrace himself now. You say my husband never do for you, then my husband stop. He never do again, he not send money again. Make Facebook, make them no get the donate for you. Since you say I never do, then why are you crying? But for under, why you not call the say no gay? May can't elevate your ass for you. And you get first son. The way my husband people get first son. Now so you get first son. But your own first son, Osan, as your own first son don't useless, then you can see first son where mama don't create, where mama don't bless, he don't pour anointing for my husband head as a first son, he will become great. Then you can't see the star, you can't throw your pikin. Your own first son, you don't useless. Then you can't say you can never see my son, you can never see my husband. No. And my husband don't talk and say, Chichi. You know they call Chichi. Chichi. And I not go see. The only way I take see money, he say, my husband say, if he don't pay bride price, he go know what he they pay for. Not be say he never pay bride price. He never pay bride price. He go say he want to spend money for you. No. He say, if he don't, he said he not they pay die again until he don't put money for my head. Before he know what he go do for in-law. Not be say they spend money, he don't know what they do for it. They not give a woman. And you go talk of another platform say, we never spend $1 for you. Tell me, you can come my husband for inside us. My in-law, I can't I give you all, I need money. And you don't talk for social media, say never do anything for you. Now, go can't do that one. See, I not get what I go talk. But the thing will pay me now my husband though. Yesterday to see my husband tears. Now that one I pay me pass. You understand? Now that one pay me pass. And I not blame Mamo. to boy. Oh my way. Atika, ma wa calculate. Ni ma tori. Imani tori.
Hello, madam. You have to go when
Erime wa no. Where?
You will not see better.
Ọkọwa fingore. Anytime na were ya na list. Ọwa figo ogwe mmadụ dọlụ waji. Ogwe ere ebabawu edele babawu. Ebaba ma ewu makwesu anaghị list. Baba ibe wu ogwe maka de we bury ami.
Look at when the Baba Mama died. Look at I don't pay money for burial. I don't pay money. This guy tell me that I say do something.
Hello, sir. Let back up. We are now in new age. Hello, sir. Are you there?
I can hear you, sir.
I said we are in new age right now. Or whatever you pass through, whatever you go, let me know about that one. By day, I have not divorced. Yeah, ma'am.
I not play pass here because for there go the thing because when my husband they vex like this, the man will try to calm her down. When the man they try to bring wetin my papa talk, my husband will still raise voice again. Like the thing they peace. In fact, I know they beg. La. In fact, everything they will spoil. Until if my husband come today, I will carry and sit down. I want to ask her, what is special about this bride price? Is it compulsory? Say you must pay my bride price? If it's compulsory, then you wait. When papa won't go pay my mama bride price, if papa was not alive. Yes, 2-3 years ago, now go pay my mama bride price. My mama not there alive. Mama, papa not there alive. They not shop my mama bride price. The money where they pay for my mama head, they not shop am. So make my husband still wait for like that. Sister, that me are not the first again. Anytime when they take that bride price, definitely they must call me as a first daughter. I must do burial. And me will come give the condition. Say, as my husband never put money for my head, I can never participate for any burial. It's a tradition in family. So my husband, come on, cool, I'm not gonna leave you. The love is there. The bond is there. If now how many children will you defend? Tell me, I promise you, for now, I not go protect my body again. Now, as I tell to you now, I don't free my body for you now. For any time when you want to touch me now, no problem. I not go say because I normal woman need to protect herself and you understand. But for now, no. For now, don't leave. Not be picky you defend. No worry, I go give you. No, but any picky way you define, I'll give you. But the reason why I don't want bomb now be say I be one my fair come up for house arrest first. Before I would dream of having another third picking. But for now, still because I don't see the reason why my husband they fell list desperado. I don't know. Woman there with you, he not leave you. If you not picking, nobody. For now S4. If this weekend now you get them. I not go even say make I take medicine or make we use. No, I not go use anything. I not go drink anything. No worry. If na picky you define, I'm ready to give you now. Moreover, my picky don't reach to senior. You understand? My son don't reach next year now. He will complete 5 years. Yes, my son now. It not get even born follow you. The picky way born. What do you call that? I don't know you name. Iye-eki way born last so. No, the twins where no get born now. My own pikin seniora, my own son seniora with 3 months, but no get don't born iye-eki for one. You understand? It don't born for one. So I understand if you not that one you they talk about say you need the third pikin. No worry, I will give you because I not be say I don't want born for you again. Just that I dey feel say I still there as arrest. So what I want is pikin do for now. So if now because of the pikin, no worry, leave the bride price. I go give you the pikin. For now henceforth again, I no go take anything protection again. I no go take anything again. If na that one be your thickness, okay, you want my born job pikin or na the way your parents dey talk say I don reach to born follow pikin, make dem go put money for your wife. Nobody more than leave the bride price, I go born now. Me don sacrifice am for una now. More than leave the bride price, I go born the third one for una. Make una no worry. No be pikin. The only thing, e no dey hard to carry, but na the day of the labor na be the problem. Na there pain dey, and na wetin all mother suppose to pass through na be that one. No problem. But I wan know what is so special about this bride price. You and person dey ask husband and wife, e dey go work on the meter. Husband and wife, e dey reach that one again. You don do introduction, you don do common marriage. Wetin you dey find again? So I don't even know. I don't know what is the meaning of that bride price. Me, believe that say me a lot to my husband. Whether they feel say moreover that time, but that time when I don't even confused. I don't even know whether when we the quarrel that time when they read the quarrel, I'll say no worry, I will leave you come out. May if this house I don't finish, I will come out leave you. If not that one in the dream, na quarrel, you know when husband and wife they quarrel, not you know fit tell sweet thing to each other. Na bitter word you go talk. If na that one, na quarrel. You know say I no fit leave you. You know say I no fit. You know say I no fit leave you. I can't do without you. So if na that one, na quarrel be that one. But if they feel say somebody want take it from you, for me, I don't know. Because me, I know say I deal with you. I don't know why you are so desperate about this bride price. I don't know. Wetin all woman dey fair with a platter of gold. Now, man even dey beg. Upon us say na me still dey the problem o. Wey suppose to even run leave me sef. I don born 2 children. My breast don fall before you meet me. I don't know wetin. I know this special. I don't know why my papa want make my he want make my husband no, not be like na greediness be this one. Self, I wish na they do as okay. Maybe my husband know the value of the pikin way he want marry. I go understand. But not be this one when I call the use until they collect money to the extent he can say I bring my husband name and his son name, but go do something. Anything we would they tell my husband, now my husband would for more than they told that word. I wish that go even they talk like say okay may your husband know the kind of woman we want marry. Say the woman not be an honorary woman. Now great woman or whatever, now special pikin, and I make an they make it the difficult for my husband. I will quite understand that one. I go understand. Yes, it's an honor, it's a pride to me. Yeah, before you want marry this woman, you pass many stress. But you know, call they do it in a greedy way. They call elevators. Well, Sophia Reva, no bug Sophia. Oh, bug that for her. Or dafe Sophia bogbe. O bogbo dafe Sophia. Or bogbo apart from dafe Sophia. What be dafe Sophia? O bogbo gogo. I can never put Sophia. Sophia don't move on. He did with her husband. You have to face your husband. Yes. Now the talker say if you will marry a woman, now all our husband now will face. Yeah, now they use that parable. O bogbo gogo. O bogbo gogo. Oh, when audion, we are here as well. Every battle, nothing. Oh, when our modion, we are a bossa, our modi of a bossa, they have become great, or whoever bossa on our luai. But to whom your modion or you want with your hungry lion, hard dive. Hey, I win now. I'm going to get it. Even though my husband wants start to be giving her money safe. If you never pay my bride price, not be that one I fair do that time. Not be other one I fair do that time. Why ya queen go now for na poverty, na not seen how na want to escape poverty. Now one call use my husband to escape poverty. But when I remember saying a person I born na person I make can become great like this. Beg even the boat de leunwe. You're not just college university. Beg even is ya vio biya. I children ya just school university. Ya jail oh, when I'm at that just school, I go have a zedo. I even go have a zebo illiterate. Even go have a zebo. I even see my way if go school self. Oh yeah, they wow kita. Ya go am e gba ye. You are when you go oh ya be re o the zubu ya be marry. Instead of not to carry and give am, why the condition? What's the manner condition oh Igwazedo, Igwazebo, Epo Babunuwe, Dog Babunuwe, Mewede, Mewkapio Meva de Nigeria, Ye Veji, Modere problem. Now the straight man, they put the best saying one put money. Instead of now for rush give her. No, no one give her because una no one make her marry. May become single, make a now queen go go. I understand now when the girl walk on where I deal with another bashawo, a Sophia Kata, or we are 100,000 or be 200,000. No, or managi suwa no girl walk where I deal with another bashawo, ne Sophia Tamame, and make it tamuana. That is the reason why they don't want to release bribe. They feel say one day me and my husband go quarrel. One day, me and my husband will separate. That is the another one that they find. You know, parents for Nigeria, if they don't marry, they're not the same money come again. They want me to be single. So that me I see money they pack on, they give them. Because I see no reason why they not release bride price for my husband. I see no reason why. Another one that they find. That is if they do my husband like this, my husband go piante. Oh, guy, if you know what you do sacrifice for each other. If you know the hurt where we don't take, you will not say you see your own you, my papa and my mama, even in parents, they don't fit break the yoke. Una no fit. We have sacrificed for each other. Yeah. We are sacrificed. Not be marriage where they fit break like that. And this is what you are looking for. May I go back to that single life? The way they put money for your account, your first bank. Now that one they first so that if you know I not get account now, me and my husband separate now. And I can't come back to you people. I can't they carry money they save for our account. That is what you are looking for. But you say I never save any money in your account. Now all that opportunity now you define. But you don't realize say I don't. My age don't okay to marry. Now person like una na the top people to single mother. Here slow here. I tell you because I want to take care of parents. Here slow here. My dear, I can never be single. Now you be the person who when you me we got call the lady men be arrested that from where. We got tell me police where Erika biene Erika why you can arrest that from where why you can where it can biene because you say my husband no say I don't bon. You they talk me that one here make compose. You try everything. You even insult my husband mama. To the extent me and you the quarrel. My mother carry phone call my husband mama say I don't bon. And I go yara for this record. Egbe open mouth. He say, I tell Egbe. I said, the day when I want to do my husband, they want to go do introduction. In the midnight, I said, not today. In the midnight of yesterday, my husband can't use my own phone. Write message, go give my papa and my mama. Say, I beg, my husband people, they come. I beg, mo kuna not let her know, say, I defer bon. So, my husband can't they feel, say, my parents can't they feel, say, I me write the thing. And my husband, I write down. When they come break, I can't see the message for my phone. Now I call my husband, say, dear, why you write this thing, go give my parents? Why you they tell my parents, say, may they not tell your mother, say, I therefore born. He say, no worry. At the right time, I go by himself. Tell me his parents, say, I therefore born. But my husband call his phone right now. Since that day, my papa and my mama confess na me right hand. And since that day, they feel say that they have secrets for me. That's why I tell una say, make una not allow anybody know una secrets, because they will use that secret against you people. When me and my husband, when me and my mama just quarrel like this, I not gonna send the money. My mama carry phone, call my husband mama. My mother, when he say he born me, man, they say our mother wicked rich. Because I disagree for what I tell her, say, he say, may I carry my husband name and his son name come, may he do something. So that anything where me and they tell my husband, he go take they do something. My husband still talk for this record, for this place. I don't want plan. Now because say, na bullet na come the year. When I hear my husband talk say, may he tell my parents made the exchange for their evil way. Now there the bullet for start. Then my husband come begin to knock the teeth for us say, your wife mother say make he bring in name and his son name, make the take turn out to mumu. He decide this record. My husband is my talk here. Yeah. My husband, because I not call her disobey my mother, I not do what he tell me. My husband, my mama call carry phone. Call my husband, mama for village. I mean, I never even know say my husband already tell him mother already. I don't know, but that one way go right, go give my papa. Say, but they don't tell my husband, mama say I don't feel born. Then they feel say na me right hand. Then they feel say that they keep secret for me. That this I never tell my husband say I don't feel born. When me and my husband, I can't refuse for what my husband, mama tell me say, make a bring in name and his son name. Anything we will tell my husband, now my husband tell them. Because I refuse. I don't know what can happen. My mama carry phone, call my husband, mama for village, say, me don't feel born. Waiting my mama they try to do there. Answer. Waiting my mother was trying to do there. He was trying to destroy the marriage. Opi say, if my husband, mama hear that matter, he go say, no, this woman don't go marry again. He no say no be Bini. They are different. On our own mentality with their own mentality. Waiting my husband, mama to respond to you. My husband, mama damn you. He said, yes, he knows he don't feel born. So far he born wow for me. So far he said, my husband, mama cut and say, yes, he don't feel no. If not that one. So far, may your pikin born our own for her. My mama come effort for a year. Waiting my mother they try to do there. Bad mother. So, daddy, we are not, this is not funny. You might look at it funny. I've sent you the whole video. I'm the loyal daughter. I'm loyal to you as a daughter. This is the time I need you. Because my parents, they know say that they're wrong. If man like this, listen to the voice no finish. Now I won't let one line now I play for my husband's voice. Just listen to the rest. You will feel my husband pain. There, you are dear as a father. I did not ask of money. I not ask of, he said, daddy, I need money, send me money. No. I call you yesterday. Yes, you said me my husband call you yesterday. That yesterday, he let go. Me, I not go even agree make he even call you. Because the anger, try yesterday. In fact, me where I never support my family, he even put me journal. So the essay say, you say you get godfather. Wait till your godfather they talk for inside this matter. Now I say, the verse don't pass beyond this one. Before my husband come put my godfather for inside this issue, now I say, okay, it does it. Stammerer does it. You say you get godfather. I don't feel blame my godfather. The one where you even born yourself, they don't see you as anything. Now another person will see you as person. Now I have a father. When I call my own godfather, what are you doing? What are you doing inside this issue? You carry the rest of your goddaughters Their matter, you dey fit dey solve am. Why you can't read this one? Wetin come dey happen, daddy? Wetin dey solve? Wetin dey solve, daddy? I dey cry for so many years. You hear am when my husband talk and say for good 5 years. 5 years. This tutorial, good 5 years. 5 years. This tutorial. Ma, you play that 5 years again, may you listen by live video.
When there's a disagreement, there's bound to make peace.
Sir, can I still ask the question?
Go ahead.
Are the parents aware that the daughter is under house arrest?
I'm not aware. I don't know whether they abuse you or you abuse them. Let them forget about this one and move forward. You understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, to me, insult is nothing. Just to let everybody are matured. I'm seeing her parents as a father and a mother, but see the way things are going. That's not the way. Sir, I have a father, I have a mother. My dad is about 70 something. My dad is 60. My mom is 60 something, and they are still way alive. The way parents are behaving. Before I use that statement at first, when you were angry with me, I still have a mother, I still have a father. I know the way they behave. Before I use that statement, that's not the way parents should behave. I still have. I know the way those parents behave. I know when a child cry, a mother, a father is supposed to respond to the child to know what is happening. But my wife asked me, there's nothing like that. There is totally nothing. And you want me to be happy about it? I've been under this situation for almost 7 years. Have the parents ever called me and asked me about the situation? Did they think I fell from the sky? I never fell from the sky. I've done all my possible best. This marriage we are talking about, my junior sister have got married since last year. I asked for this list before my junior sister was even thinking of bringing a man to the house. I've got 2 elder sisters that have gotten married. Last year, my junior sister that I seen 3 times got married. But about 4 to 5 years ago, I've been asking of this traditional list before my sister even got finished at university. Before she finished university about last 3 years. She got married last year, but I've been asking for my own bride price list for the past 5 years. They will tell me to do this one. They will tell me to do this one. They will tell me that look at somebody want to get married first. I should bring money. Then they will tell me somebody died. I should bring money. They will tell me to renovate this place. They will tell me I will do it. I will do it. They said they photocopy 20 of the list. I did not see anything.
They will call 5 for you. That photocopy when you say my papa say photocopy 20 20 photocopy of the list where they want to put money for my head. So when my husband come send money, make they take buy sand, bag of cement, make they take do the house where fall for back for Wasota. So my husband come send money go, make they take do. Not be say they tell am oh, now something happen. My junior brother honor ya see, he can't go draw Curtis. Now Curtis now you I don't know what happen. Somebody come pass inside our ass, come out for the next street because the ass where they come there, I go show that the video. Now not the lie, not before we are too poor, we poor for our family. You understand? The ass where they build the kitchen, joy house, now 10 passages. So the kitchen where they inside come fall. So anybody where fit they pass, now not as Nigeria ass be, if he pass our own inside our ass, go come out for the next street. So my junior brother dey backyard, I don't know what they do for backyard that night. So 2 boys come back inside our ass, go come out. Now my brother come on touch for there. Oh, be that one where they pass our passage. They enter the next street because the ass don't for the ass now error. I will put the ass, I will bring the video come out. I get proof. So as he come talk the matter, so I don't know what happen. I don't know, my junior brother don't know say na Curtis na the turtle where they pass. Based on my own junior brother, he still go shop which. he knew chop punch, he come dey raise feather. So as he do that thing, the thing can cause Curtis issue. My mama call me say, oh, my junior brother don call Curtis enter house, oh, for your allow there, your pass they go, your brother can't go untouched. Now my husband can say, which kind of pressure be this one? Person pass his own papa ass, enter the next street. So the pikin not get right to talk. Now my husband call his destination, say, yeah, show me the, no, when my papa daughter finish, now my husband call my junior brother, say, wetin make you call Curtis enter this? Wetin make you dey bring problem? Cause they give your papa and your mama. Now my junior brother they explain. Then he come put the camera. He come put her for video call. He said, brother, that is my junior brother. So now they talk to my husband. He said, brother, put her for video call. I show you where the people pass. Enter the next street. Now my husband put her for video call. Then he come video say, brother, see where they pass. Then as they talk, now my husband just shout. Dear. He said, I just rush come on. What happen? He said, wait, this one are your papa ass. I say, yes. Wait, this one are your papa ass. Where in mama and papa can do introduction? I say, yes. I say, my husband just do like this. My husband can't do like that. Because my husband don't know, say, the ass was so bad. It reached like that. Now my husband can say, if now this ass, their parents come, it not good for face. Now my husband drop his own project where they do. He come buy bag of cement, buy sand, buy everything. He say, yeah, make the coppers, make the come renovate the house. Really? Not be say my papa tell him, oh, my husband do it willingly. Since now that place, now they big problem, they need to do it up. Make people know they pass that place again. Now my husband take some money, come they do one. As he dey do am, he get where they do am reach, we can't leave am. Now my papa come call my husband, say, they don't finish. No, me even call my papa, say, they don't finish the place. He say, yes. Instead of my papa to say, thank you to my husband, guess what my papa talk? My papa say, you know how much I add, John, now, where they take back cement, even the cement not reach. Whoa. My husband can say, what? That pride. He say, you know how much your own ass when you even not be even build down. If they fall put for your head, my husband come. He can't start on. You don't get shame. You see, that's the reason why I thought. See where my parents take breed themselves down for my husband day. Instead of it, they say, my in-law, thank you. You say, you know how much you put. As you told that word, that's okay. Since you say you know how much you put, finish your house by yourself. I tell my husband, you know they do pass there again. Since that day, my papa not do pass there again. Now where my husband do reach, now there is still date today. Money when you say you are Jonah, the next target now to remove my papa's zinc. Make they change am. Make they change the zinc like DJ Gold zinc where they put for DJ Gold because I don't want to be the zinc where I know say that they put for passengers. That's why you see there's a laugh DJ Gold say zinc where they put for passengers. Where ya arufo wa because why I don't experience life, I don't experience building. I don't know say this house. I know the zinc where it fits this house. So. And my husband, that time, zinc was about a bunk that time. A bunk of zinc that time was about 20-something thousand. Yes, 20-something thousand that time. Not be 20-something, whether 60-something, 50-something thousand for a bunk of zinc. Then we come to us, okay, the wood way rotty for the ass, they go remove them. Then they will not be all wood they will remove. They will remove the one where don't keke, where don't rust. They'll remove them. They will change them. That was our next plan before my papa could use mass pour everything. We don't calculate the zinc. Now the wood, make they go buy one for sell me. Instead of my papa say, my in-law, you try, you thank you. You say, hey, do you know how much I add to it? Your own, and not be say my husband won't come sleep there. Not be say my husband go inherit the property. Not be me say I go inherit time. You you finish the house. Your face on, Bob, go, Bob, bear. Nah, una the fair because nah, my dear, I can still do my marriage without you. Yes. I don't tell my husband, say if they not release the bride price, forget about it. If they die, they will release, they will need me.